Hi everyone, I'm Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to create a fun candy basket that makes a great gift, great for Easter, Mother's Day, lots of fun things that you can do with this. When you're at the store picking out your candy for the baskets, you want to get boxes of candy that are pretty similar in size. That works best. If all of your boxes are different sizes, then you're gonna have a hard time squaring up that basket. The first thing we need to do is just kind of measure up. That's a smaller one. And kind of divide those out. And we're going more on length. You could go on height as well. So that we're gonna make that kind of our long pile and that our shorter pile. Those are both pretty short. The products that we'll need to create our cute little Easter basket is we'll need 4 boxes of candy that are about the same size. We'll need some cardstock. You could also use like cardboard or something like that. You just want it to have some thickness to it so it's nice and sturdy. And then also a glue gun. And then we are going to use these Laffy Taffy ropes as the handle. This is all that you will need to create your Easter basket, but then whatever you will want to put inside it as well. So we need to cut our paper because it is going to be the base of our box. We're just going to kind of line up our boxes so we can get a measurement. So I can see that the width of my basket is going to be 5.5, and then the length is going to be about 7.25. So I'm just gonna measure that here with my paper trimmer. 5.5, my blade keeps falling out, by 7.25. About right there. That is the base of my Easter basket. So you can see it's not gonna be a huge Easter basket, but it's just big enough to put some fun treats inside. To build our basket, we want to have one at the front and one at the back. And you want to make sure that the candy part faces outwards. It'd be no fun to see like the ingredients and the UPC on the outside of the box. So you want to make sure that you face the name of the candy out and also that it's standing upright. So before I glue everything down, I'm just gonna kind of put it in place where I want it. I'm gonna start with the head, and I'm just going to do a couple light dots of glue to hold that in place, because I want it to come off eventually. I want the basket to be sturdy enough to hold all of the treats, but I also want it to be able to be enjoyed later once whatever I put inside is taken out. For the sides, I'm gonna do the same thing, 3 dots. And then I'm also gonna do a dot right here at the top of that box. And I wanna make sure that I push everything together nice and tight. So I'm gonna hold that for just a moment. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just gonna do 2 or 3 little dots there towards the edge of our paper, and then a dot there at the top. Line those up and push them together and hold those for just a quick second. So now all that's left is this last side, and we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're gonna do 3 dots along the bottom and then a dot at the top of each of those. Again, making sure that my box is the right side up and it's facing the right way. So we've got this part, and now all we've got left is our handle. You're just gonna carefully bend that kind of into an arc, just like a basket, and then we're going to glue that into place. Something very important to note, this handle is not a handle to actually be used. I don't think it would stay, I think it would fall. We're just gonna glue that just right inside the basket. And this one kind of folded funny, so the UPC and stuff is kind of on the outside, but that's okay. Grab a dot of glue and do that to the other side. So there is our basket, our little candy basket. Isn't that cute? And oh my gosh, was that not so easy to make? We made that super duper fast. And then you can put all of your little candy-filled Easter eggs or whatever treats you have in there. So see, it wasn't that easy, wouldn't you to give or to even receive this as a gift. I love how simple these candy baskets are to put together, and they are super quick. And I especially love when you put fresh flowers in them. Isn't that so cute? Thanks everyone for joining me. Bye and happy crafting.